The situation is so dire. There is hunger for food, for human beings. There is need for animals' feeds. There is a great need of water because we are experiencing water scarcity. We just need support. Our school-going children are studying with empty stomachs. They need our support. They need our intervention. I'm making this appeal to members of our country and those that are beyond. Kindly support us where we can. The county government is doing its bit. We started off with a budget of 130 million. This week we are going to release 40 million to support 15,000 households. We need your hand. We need your support. Collectively and individually, do something if you are able to support a life and to save a life.